Okay students, now we are discussing wireless communication technologies here. We have two technologies, Wi-Fi and WiMAX here. As we were discussing in our video, when we were discussing about transmission control media, transmission channels over there. So these were divided into two types. The first one is wired and second one is wireless. So as per the concept of wireless communication technology, we are discussing here Wi-Fi. As you know, wireless connection nowadays very common, and we are using most of these kinds of technologies nowadays. So here first we are discussing Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Its full form is wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi technology is used to achieve connections to the internet without using any cable between device and internet service provider. So Wi-Fi enabled device and wireless routers are required for setting up a Wi-Fi connection. As we know, some kinds of devices and routers are uh, most important and mandatory to set up the connection here. So some characteristics of the wireless internet connections here. First one is range is up to 100 yards here. Second one is insecure connection. Third one is throughput of 10 to 12 mbps here. Here is some kinds of points I want to discuss here. First one is range. Range is so simple, you can understand very easily what do you mean by range. So in a limited geographical area of 100 yards, it is applicable to connect all these wireless devices to each other. Second one is insecure connection. As you know, wireless connection is unsecure as we compare with the wired connection also, because there are chances of hacking and chances of the security is less as compared to another one which we are using in wired communication technologies. Next one is throughput is 10 to 12 mbps. That means throughput is that particular data which we want to send from sender to receiver. So how much data we are sending from sender to receiver, it is in terms of throughput. We are saying that term we are using, that is throughput here. So if a PC or laptop does not have Wi-Fi capacity, it can be added using a Wi-Fi card here. It is also available externally. We can insert Wi-Fi card to get the connection of Wi-Fi here. Here is the physical area of the network which provides internet access through Wi-Fi is called the Wi-Fi hotspot. Hotspots can be set up at your home very easily, office or any public space like airport, railways, whatever stations you are choosing. Hotspots themselves are connected to the network through wires also. Now the next one is WiMAX. WiMAX is slightly more capable as compared to the Wi-Fi connections here. So some kinds of drawbacks it can cover as we are using WiMAX. WiMAX is a worldwide interoperability for microwave access here. WiMAX is a collection of wireless communication standards. This is a standard based on IEEE 802.16. WiMAX provides multiple physical layer and media access control, that is MAC options also here. Firstly, WiMAX form established in 2001. It is a principal body responsible to ensure comfortable and interoperability among various commercial vendors also. So what do you mean by interoperability? Interoperability stands for the using of that particular technology we are using in very easy hands. So these are some characteristics of WiMAX here. First one is broadband wireless access here. It has higher capacity of broadband capabilities to access the wireless facilities here. Second one, range of 6 meals. As we compare with the Wi-Fi, it's huge range. It would provide here up to 6 meals over there. Multi-level encryption available, also available. Throughput of 72 mbps. That is much better, much better than Wi-Fi we are using. Some kinds of components of WiMAX we are using here. Let's see. First one is WiMAX base station. These are the just like the stations, or we can say the towers, similar to a mobile towers here to connect the internet for the high speed wired connections. Second one is WiMAX subscriber unit here. It is just like as we are using modems, but only the difference is here modem is used to connect the internet through cable connection, but if we use here WiMAX XU, that is WiMAX subscribe unit here, it receives the internet signals using wirelessly through microwaves. Here we are using microwaves instead of any cables or other technology we are using for connection and using the internet facilities here. So these are the topics which are covered in this chapter. I hope so it would be clear to you.